Hi, this is Christine with Scrap and Rabbit. I have another journal in my Etsy shop, and this one is nurse themed. It's titled How to Become a Trained Nurse. And I've got a removable dangle on the side. There's a small charm here. It's a syringe and a bottle. And then there's another syringe here. And there's a little nurse's cap with a heart. There's also some pretty beads here, and this is, I think, yeah, this is one that I had made and wrapped in wire. And then I took some pieces of old vintage jewelry to make some of these. It's got a tie, a strip of tea-dyed cotton. And you can easily remove it if you don't want this and you want to replace it with something else, or not even have a tie at all. It also comes with this little paperclip bookmark, and it has a stethoscope and a little measuring cup. So let's have a look inside. I'm going to go through the pages so that you can see what is included in this listing. So here on the inside cover, I have a little spot where you can tuck something in here, and there are 5 signatures. Oh yeah, and here's the you remove the spine embellishment with this. It's attached with this little clip. I'll just leave this off for now. So there are 5 signatures, and I printed these the covers on my laser printer, so they come out quite well. And then here's a tag, and these are some images that I had purchased from a kit for making journals. And these are tea-dyed pages, and there are some coffee-dyed. It's a whole assortment of different papers. And I have some pockets. Here's an envelope. You can tuck something in here. I have a little postcard in there that I had printed. And here's another tag, and it's got a little nursing cap. There's no stamping, so if somebody wants to stamp, they can embellish this as they wish. And there's scrapbook paper. If you're putting photos in there, keep in mind that these pages are not acid free, so you're going to want to use copies of your original photos. So here's the back of the first signature, and here's the next one. And here's another tag. Beautiful charms. This is the medical symbol. Another little tag. Another one here. And then the third signature. The images are quite pretty, I find. Another stethoscope. And this is the 4th signature. I think each of these signatures has one of these tags with a little charm, an ambulance. And here's the last signature. Then we're at the end. So as you can see, there is lots of room for journaling in here and stamping, and also you can put a photo on the back cover. And again, use copies of your photos so that you don't damage the originals. So have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.